Good morning, everyone. Today, in our school Saturday activity, we organized a fun and creative color play activity using leaves. I asked all the students to collect different kinds of leaves and bring them to the class. After that, we all worked together and I taught them how we can create different types of artwork, a beautiful creation using leaves. I showed them how a single leaf or different shapes of leaves can be used to make various designs and pictures creatively. Through this activity, the students learned how nature can also become a medium of art and creativity. Through this activity, I would like to thank all the students very much for their wonderful participation, creative minds, and beautiful presentation. Because of their efforts and cooperation, I was able to successfully implement the activity that I had planned for today. Thank you, everyone.